How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager, go to the apps again right here, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. When you find it, then click on it. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on this option here in the top. It's called force stop. And after that, all what you have to do is just go back to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is just enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys. Now reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video.